Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix clock widgets not showing on iPhone iOS 16. This is showing only iOS 15. You want to add clock widgets, so first of all open up App Store and then search for this clock. So download this type of app. I'm already downloaded, so open. So as you can see guys, this is my clock. So you want to change the style, tap on the three dots and then tap on click all screens. So as you can see guys, this is the style. You want to select that, so tap on this for you want to add this, you easily add this, and then add this, you easily add. So you want to add others, as you can see guys, this is it, others one. So go back, as you can see guys. So tap on this plus and then tap on this clock. As you can see guys, this is three types of clock. So and tap on add widget. As you can see guys, you want to set it this and setup, as you can see guys. So clock widget will be add. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. You have any problem, let me know in the comment. I help you more. Thanks for watching.